Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano You Learn, Learning Made Easy. In this session, I am going to explain about when to use Agile methodology and when not to use. These are the topics I am going to cover: when to use and when not to use Agile methodology. When to use: when there are rapid requirement changes, when there is high cost of changes, when more customer satisfaction is required, and small teams are working at one place together, less time for software delivery, and high software quality is required. That is, when rapid requirement changes are required. In this case, the traditional methodologies like waterfall will not work out because they will not allow changes once the testing phase is reached. So, it may not work out to use waterfall model in this case. So, agile methodology is required. And more cost is involved since we are breaking down into short duration sprints known as iterations in Agile methodology. In this case, Agile is the best way to choose. When more customer satisfaction is required, because the customer will get a chance to provide any changes even in the middle of an iteration, so they can be allowed in Agile. So obviously, the customer will get more satisfied. When small groups of teams are working at one place, in such case, we can divide into multiple agile teams and work at a single location. When less time for software delivery is required, that is, here as I said, instead of months, okay, the project development will happen in order of weeks in agile methodology. So, in this case, agile is the best way to choose. Obviously, when we are working with shorter time box iterations and we are considering only a few requirements to be worked on in a particular iteration, Agile will be the best way to use, and obviously the customer will be more satisfied and we could able to deliver high quality software. When not to use Agile: when large teams spread across different locations. In this case, there is a communication gap or communication difficulty might arise when the teams are spread across different geographical locations. So in this case, Agile is not preferred to use. When no customer involvement in the process, so when there is no customer involved throughout the process, in such case, Agile is not the right option to use. And when more documentation is required for each software development lifecycle phases. So in such cases, Agile is not the right choice to go. Because in Agile methodology, less documentation or no documentation is done and used in Agile methodology. So because of these reasons, we could not able to use Agile methodology for all these three cases. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.